I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give in. Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door.
To Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to be sharing a home decor haul. I haven't done a haul in forever, guys, and I thought I'd share it with you. I hope you enjoy. Now, this haul has been over a few weeks, guys, so I put together the items that I got and I thought I'd share them with you. First off is this absolutely stunning canvas that I picked up from AMART Furniture here in Australia. It was just $79, guys, and as soon as I seen it, I was so drawn to it. Next up, for my glam lovers, I visited a store called RONIS Home Depot. Now, for my Australian viewers, if you've ever been to a RONIS, you know exactly what I'm talking about. They have the most stunning pieces. And this gorgeous Decor canvas certainly caught my eye. It was marked down on clearance to just $59.95, and the quality of this piece, guys, is exceptional. Now, your girl Chelles just can't do a haul without her favourite store being included. I recently visited Tkmaxx and I was in a very rustic mood. Now, I've been eyeing off for weeks, guys, this beautiful knitted throw. It was regularly $49.95, but it was on a clearance rack for $39.95. I picked it up and took it to the register, but you can imagine my delight when the girl said that it had now been marked down to just $25. Sticking with the rustic theme, I'm drawn to this beautiful I Love Us sign. It's so rustic and perfect for the rustic part of my home, and it retailed at $14.95. I'm always drawn in Tkmaxx at their cute little blocks. I especially loved this one. There is always something to be thankful for, and it was just $6.95. Now, my Australian viewers also know it's very hard to pick up Rae Dunn here, and I thought these adorable little magnet set for the fridge was so perfect and so inspirational. They were just $9.95. Also in the Rae Dunn theme was this cute little birthday bag for just $2.95. And I also picked up this Love You More photo hanger. It was just $12.95. Now, I was definitely going with a rustic theme here. Starting with that amazing throw, I found items that would complement it.
Through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy?
Now, your girl Chelles couldn't keep away from cushions yet again, and I had to bring home this adorable boho style cushion. Guys, it was just $24.95 and I thought it would go perfectly with my neutral theme. I also picked up a couple of new table runners. Again, sticking with that neutral theme, I picked this neutral one up for just $6 and the Hessian one was just $4. These were from KMART Australia. And my final piece from Tkmaxx was this absolutely stunning candle holder. Now guys, don't quote me on this because I removed the price a couple of days ago, but I'm pretty sure it was $29.95 and it is absolutely stunning in person. I like to consider myself a savvy shopper. I'm one of those girls that always looks in the clearance aisle. I'm always looking at an inexpensive item because with the decor changing so much, I prefer not to spend so much money on something that could go out of date. So that's why I love Tkmaxx so much, because it has so many affordable items that really isn't breaking the bank. I'm definitely transitioning most of my home decor into a neutral theme. I wanted to make sure that I didn't end up with 10 different ottomans of 10 different colours. So what I'm trying to do throughout my home, guys, is stick to neutral and then just add pops of colour throughout the seasons.
Secondhand, I felt a bit forgotten.
Guys, I'm so obsessed with this beautiful canvas. As soon as I seen it, I fell in love with it. I hadn't been to AMART furniture very often, but I thought I'd pop in just for a look. And I was amazed at their prices as well as the quality of their decor. This beautiful canvas is a huge size, and for $79, I certainly thought it was worth it.
Till we're older, put your head on my shoulder and let's enjoy the ride. When we started, our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn?
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed my home shopping haul.
Without water, and they came when it's cold. We could go.
Leave me a comment down below if you'd like to see more haul videos.
Head on my shoulder, and let's enjoy the ride.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
I don't really care as long as I'm with you. Say something, don't be speechless. I'm sleepless, so alone in this stillness. Oh, I long for you, sweetness.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Let's enjoy the ride. sleep.